If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video, and I was like, you know what? Let me just film a quick no makeup tutorial. I did one a while ago, but I was like, let me just do an updated one. And plus, I'm getting ready, so I'm like, let's get ready together. Like, this is like something fast and something simple. And plus, like, my face is acting up. Like, I got a pimple right here. I don't know. Well, yeah, y'all can see. I had a pimple, so I'm not really trying to do too much makeup today. I'm trying to, like, kind of let it breathe. But, like, I got some bags, and it's like, I want to cover up these bags today. So first, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is Fawn. I'm trying to like move my mirror so y'all can see me and I can see myself. So I'm gonna just put those underneath my eyes to conceal my bags, cause your girl don't be getting no sleep, okay? And a little goes a long way. And I'm also going to conceal like where I have darkness. This is perfect for like work or like maybe even a beach day or like somewhere you're not trying to go all out. So I'm gonna put it right here too on my chin, but I'm not gonna like put it directly on my pimple. Like when I blend it out, I'll blend it, but I'm not gonna put the concealer directly on it. Oh my gosh, I've been using witch hazel, so it's slowly going away. So now I'm just gonna let it sit a little bit, because when you let the concealer sit a little bit, it really like it gives you coverage. This concealer, like, it gives you some good coverage if you let it sit for about 2 minutes. So I like to let it sit for about 2 minutes to really get coverage, especially underneath my eyes. Y'all seen the bags, like they were dark, and dark bags wear right now. Man, my pimple looks so ugly. But this how it's looking. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my baby, my niece. I got her. So now I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender that I used yesterday. It's still damp, so I'm gonna just blend it out. And for those who like have like dark spots, or like if you suffer from acne or anything, it's okay. You could still like do this. But like, you know how I just put concealer on certain areas, so just put the concealer on certain areas, but use a concealer that's closer to your skin tone. Like Fawn, I feel like it kind of goes with my skin tone. But so just use a concealer that's closer to your skin tone and blend it out. And if you want to, also, people who have like acne and stuff, you can put a pressed powder just to give it a little more coverage, like so people can't see it too much, but it still like looks natural. Okay, so this is how it's looking now. I'm debating, you know what? Okay. So now I'm gonna go in my black radiance palette. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use my old one. I have like a couple of crumbs, a couple little pieces left in my black radiance palette, and then I can finally open the new one. So, and I use light to medium. So now I'm gonna just bronze my skin, just so that like it doesn't look too weird. I mean, it doesn't look bad, like it still like looks like skin, but I just want to like put some bronzer so just like everything comes together. So this is how it's looking now. Makeup wear. And did I use any primer? Oh, I had oil on my face, by the way, when I first started this video. Let me show y'all. I just used this oil, the skin therapy oil, and I put some tea tree oil on my pimple. So now I'm just gonna put a little blush, you know, so it looks like I'm smiling and I'm blushing at you, and I'm not really blushing at you. And I'm gonna be using this blush in the color 09. And I kind of went hand with the blush, so I'm just gonna go back in with the bronzer brush just to blend out the blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes, because I'm gonna set the places that I concealed, because since this is like a no makeup look, like you can't be having like creases. They're gonna be like, what creases? Those look like makeup creases. Like, no, got any makeup? What's makeup? So I'm gonna be using the Airspun setting powder to set underneath, well, set the concealed areas. And I'm not gonna do too much like I usually do, just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna get my big fluffy brush and just blend it. I'm gonna be going back in my Black Radiance palette, and I'm gonna be using the highlight shade that's in the palette, because I don't want like an intense highlight. I just really want something like, I feel like this is real simple, so I want something real simple and like natural looking. I see how natural looking that looks. Okay, so like I said, don't forget, if you do like, just like I did, the darkness under my eyes, around here, I concealed it, and we set it, we bronzed, we added blush. You don't have to add a blush, because everybody's not a blush person. I'm a blush person. And what else? And added a little highlight, not like a natural looking highlight. And now we're about to set our face. I'm gonna be using the Morphe, I think this is a limited edition, I think so. So this is the Morphe, and it's the sweet peach. It smells so good. It really do smell like peaches. For watching, this is the finished look, the get ready with me no makeup tutorial. I hope you guys did this with me, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Say bye. She's just too busy touching everything. Say bye, mamas. Say bye. Say good morning. Look, I don't even know if she see the camera. Look, the phone. Look at the phone right there. Look. Look at, you see yourself? Look at boo-boos. Look at the pretty girl. Who's that? Who's that right there? Who's that? Who's that? Is that Camora? But yeah, okay. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and let me know what videos y'all want to see from her too, because I know y'all love her. So what videos y'all want like me to put her in my videos, like in videos like this and makeup tutorials, like me getting ready and stuff? Let me know, because I'll do it. But bye.